you guys. 0 point for guessing what I'm up to today. It's been like 2 years since I cleared my closet, and high time I need to remove clothes which I don't wear and donate some, sell some, and just get rid of clothes which I am sure I'm not gonna wear in 2020. So I have like removed half of my clothes here, other half I still have to do. So I thought maybe I should just vlog this because I know a lot of you are going through the same. So I just hope this like kind of inspires you to do the same and remove some of your clothes and donate them because there are a lot of people who are in need of it. So yeah, let's get started. Fit into now, so like this one, I loved it. It's a velvet dress, bodycon. So not sure if I want to sell it or donate it. So confusing वाला sell or donate वाला थोड़ा अलग रख लूँगी मैं. So dividing everything into 3 piles now. This is the skirt I made on my own. It's like a nice skater skirt, but really short. So I'll keep it anyway. This is my first dress ever. I was 16 when I got it. Sweet 16 birthday पे पहना था मैंने. और अभी भी हो सकता है I was never aware about this, guys. See, this is why you need to clear stuff out so you can find amazing stuff that you never worn before. Guys, this pant, it's actually like mint ombre white, and it's like one of my favorite purchases. This was my first ever Forever 21 store purchase in Mumbai. It opened the store and I was so crazy. I saw this pants, and next week itself I went with my parents. I was in like first year degree college. So next week itself I went with my parents and got the pants. So it has amazing memories, but sadly it doesn't fit me anymore. So I'll have to give it away. I'm gonna donate it instead of selling it. So guys, the 3 piles are done. These are the clothes that I'm donating. I feel like that's a lot, like because niche bhi hai, upar bhi hai. Then this is the pile that I'm like selling. It's very less, just this much. And then these are the piles. These are tops, jackets, shorts, and like skirts. Those are dresses, those are jackets again. I'm gonna hang those and keep all this in boxes and all. So now I'll just go ahead and fold them, put them in separate boxes and divide them. I don't have a closet to like keep it and hang it everywhere. So we have a lot of those white boxes for that. So yeah, that's the hard part. Hi guys, so it's the next day and I'm so sorry. Yesterday my battery went dead, so I couldn't vlog the folding part, but that was very boring and I just hate folding clothes. thumbs up this video if you agree with me, because like it's the worst thing. Anyway, so a lot of you keep asking me how do you store your clothes and like where do you store it and like show us. So this isn't like exactly a closet tour because I don't actually have a closet. I don't even have a walk-in closet. I'm not fancy like that. I just have like two cupboards kind of thing. So I'll just show you guys, kind of like just go through it and show you guys how exactly I store it. First there's this cupboard which you may have seen in a couple of different videos. So this is where I am hanging all my regular jackets and shirts and all that which I can wear in Mumbai weather. And then on the back side I have all my dresses, dresses, rompers and maxi dress. So that's there. Then I have all my scarves and socks and swimsuits all in the basket organized. Then I also have some trousers here, some jacket, no, jackets again. Oh my god, how many jackets do I own? Wow. So yeah, there's jackets again. Then on the back side I have my fancy tops which I don't wear on a regular basis, like just for events sake, some fancy events में उसके लिए tops है, इसमें पीछे जाता है वो बहुत बड़ा ही है. Then on this side I have my denims, all my denims. These are all the denims that I own. So that's there. So yeah, that's there. Then ऊपर मेरा थोड़ा मेकअप का सामान, कैमरा, फेस मास्क एंड ऑल वो सब रहता है. If you're wondering, नीचे bed sheet and that's soft box. I don't use it anymore, so it's just there. So that is like kind of an overview. We have a duplicate like that over here, and this is the more messy one. I store all my jewelry down there. There are sunglasses in this box, like all the PR boxes. I use it for this. Then I have all my makeup here. I need to still organize that, so maybe you'll see that in my next vlog. This section is the clothes again. I can obviously use the hanger in this as well, but I decided not to. So I have all the hats, all the vacation hats. Then I have all my bags in this and that. Then I have all the shorts and skirts. I don't wear it regularly, so it's here. Isme, I guess these are the clothes that I need to give away. So it's in a box. Then there's this random jacket here. Again, piche. Wait for it. Wait, I'll just remove and show you guys. So all these are with... So I have kept the lid on, so that's how, like my bags, they're all in this baskets. These are very handy and I got all of them from Crawford Market for like 300, I guess. Then I have one more. Oh yeah, here are all the short skirts and like things that I don't wear on a regular basis. They're all here. Then on the back, oh my god, I have a lot of clothes. These are all my kurtis and all. And these are, what is this? Kurtis again. So like 2 boxes of kurtis and dresses. Then I have in this, I have all my jumpsuits, fancy ones. And then yahan pe cap again, caps here. Hats, caps. And this, these are just basic white and black tees and jackets. So मेरे को अगर एक चीज भी अगर किस ये box से निकालना पड़ा, then I have to remove those 2 boxes and then remove that box. But since it's box, it's easier to remove, I feel. I just have to bring that box out and just go through it, remove the piece that I want to wear, and then keep it again. So this is what I feel is convenient for me now. That's not it. So these are all the fancy things. Now we'll move on to the more common things that I wear on a regular basis. So I'm not sure how many of you actually remember this boxes, but I built them in one of my vlogs, and it has all my regular tees and all that I wear on a regular basis. So there are a lot of tees in here, t-shirts. This is the overview of that, and here also I have all the tops. This is the way I stored them. I'm so sure it's not gonna stay like this. Here are all the bottoms that I wear ghar pe, and some tops here again. So yeah. Then I have 2 boxes here. One is, I guess, yeah, and this has a bag which has clothes that I need to sell. Rest सब random चीज़ है यहाँ पे, like bags and all. I don't know what's it. यहाँ पे भी थोड़े bags, sunglasses and all that. I need to sort all this out. So yeah, that is basically how I store my clothes. I just don't have a closet or a wardrobe completely for it. I just hope it helps like some of you if you are still confused about how to store your clothes. And if you don't have a proper place, boxes for the win. I'll see you guys this week soon since I'm back with weekly vlogging. So yeah, let's go. What's up you guys and wait, ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है, बंद कर दो, इतना fancy नहीं बनना. Normal weekly vlogs are back since it would be incomplete if I didn't include my bae, my soulmate in it. Maggie. So this is not Maggie, it's Fury Top Ramen, Fury Chili. So that's why it's so red. I didn't add anything to it. I'll just eat it like that. It's kind of like spicy, spicier than normal Maggi. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly like tell you guys that I am not vlogging tomorrow. Tomorrow is 31st, and I'm not taking my vlog camera along. I'm just gonna attend a party tomorrow. The party is in Warsaw tomorrow and it's by the beach. I am super duper excited about it. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen the stories already. If not, then here are some pictures from the 31st. I'll be then completely sleeping throughout the 1st of Jan. So I'll see you guys on 2nd, I guess. If I'm not working a lot. If I am, then I'll see you guys on Saturday. Yeah. Wow, I look bald. I'm not bald yet, guys. नहीं, अभी तक नहीं हुई हूँ. हो जाऊँगी तो बता दूँगी. But I just have like 2 packages to open. So I just have to do it. Since I started vlogging again, I have to do it on camera, right? So let's go ahead and see. I think I'm opening this. Also, it's Saturday today, and I think I'm opening this very late. I got this around Christmas, so it must be something Christmas related. I'm guessing. Let's see. Yep. Oh, yeah. Yep, I was right. It is Christmas related. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh my god, look at that packaging, dude. So amazing, right? So it's a red and green box with a candy cane on the top. It's the only way to open it, by breaking the candy cane, I guess. Oh my god, I just ruined the box. Oh, it's from Nivea. So we have a lot of different things here. Firstly, we have the Nivea lip balm. Then we have their oil and lotion. My favorite Nivea cream. I love this. This is like all in one. Then we have their face wash. I haven't tried this out. This is for dry skin. Excited to use it. The bottle is so cute and tiny, right? I love the packaging. Then we have their hand cream, very much needed for dry skin. Then we have Nivea Soft. Are you ready to chill with mint? This is the new one, I guess. Then we have all the Christmassy stuff. There's a candle here, red candle. A gift. Mini lights. And it's in pink. Oh my god, yes! I'm gonna use it for my videos. And then we have a Christmas tree. I don't have a desk, but I'll save this for when I have a desk. And then lastly we have a lot of papers. And then lastly we have a Santa hat. Yes, I've already opened this. It's from Vivico and it's a glamour box. So this has coffee scrub, 2 coffee scrubs. I love their coffee scrub. Then we have a glow mask. This I have the black one, the activated charcoal one. This is mixed berry. This smells so good. So it smells like all strawberry. Then we have their rose gold oil. So you apply this before applying your makeup, or even use it as a highlighter after makeup. And then we have their soft touch moisturizing lotion. So thank you so much, BBCo. And lastly, we have a goodie bag from LBB Go. I guess this is their new app. So in this we have dark chocolate. Not a fan of dark chocolate, but I'll eat it when I'm like PMSing or something. And then we have a LBB Go sipper. Looks similar, right? Comment down below and let me know what does this look like. Roll Dhwani will know it. And then lastly we might have a little, yeah. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. That was it. I am not sure what I'm doing tomorrow. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna chill, be lazy tomorrow. My new video is doing amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Another video, marriage related, which is a haul, coming up this Friday, so get excited for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I am just gonna end the vlog here itself, just in case if I don't do anything. Otherwise I'll end it tomorrow also again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm so happy vlogging again and being back in action and talking with you guys. I hope you guys feel the same way, and don't forget to work hard, be kind, stay positive. Also, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what is your new year resolution this year. For me, it's just all about self-growth. I just want to grow, and by growth I don't mean like growing big in numbers or anything, but just learning new things and just growing my knowledge and just being the better person. Anyway, I'll just go. See you guys in my next vlog now. Bye!